Good morning, Mac Vlogs here. Today I am starting my morning showing you the Endless Summer Resort. However, it's going to be the Dockside Resort. So as you walk in past the two signs you see, they are saying Endless Summer Resort. There's two resorts. So you have the Surf Side, which is on that side, if you're coming in the same way I'm coming in. And you have the Dockside, which is where I've been staying the last couple of days. So I don't know how much I'm going to be able to show you because it is busy in the lobby, it's busy in the canteen, so there won't be much of me talking, but there will be probably just me walking around with the camera and the GoPro here, showing you what it looks like, because I don't want to put my camera in people's faces. So let's go and have a look around, see what I can show you. I've got a good view from my room for the pool, so I can have a look down on that, and if I can get in round the pool as well. I don't want to invade anyone's privacy with the camera, but I'll show you as much as I can, and hopefully it helps if you're staying here at, or looking to stay here at Universal's Dockside as well. So let's go for a walk round. If it's me not talking, I'll put some footage in with some music, hopefully you like the music. So yeah, let's go have a look around. So just to give you some bearings, you can see the Orlando Eye there. I have walked down this street here. Basically Universal Orlando Park's way up there. But Dockside is this side, Surfside's that side, as you can see with the sign saying there. So that's Surfside, sign there. And this is where I've been staying, Dockside, and we're going to have a look at today. Now within the boundary of Dockside, and to be honest it's very simple. So the best way I can explain it is you've got the lobby here, main lobby, you've got Tower 1, which is like a U shape, and you've got Tower 2, which is also like a U shape. But once you go into the lobby and you go right to the back of the lobby, you've got a kind of link, a corridor or a hallway going to the left to Tower 1, and the same again, a tower linking Tower 2. And that's the best way I can explain it. And it's very simple, straightforward. In regards to outside here, you can see the buses coming in just now. So all the minions on the bus. Now very frequent, I'll be honest. It's been a great service by Universal with their buses. So they come in one way, come round, and then they pick you up there. So the first stop there is for the parks, second stop is for Volcano Bay. Very straightforward. A lot of car parking space here, car parking behind the tower, well, through Tower 1 you go along here to Tower 1, and you go along over there to Tower 2. There is also a ride app, which you'll see like an orange sign there. So a ride app collection point, and I have used Uber when I've been here, and not once. I did try it the first time I was down here to try and get picked up, and that never happened. They just go straight over to the lobby. And it did help me one time because it was thunder, a lot of rain, and there's no cover out here. So it was good that they picked you up and dropped you off underneath the main entrance. So that's really it from the outside, from the front. So let's go have a look inside the lobby. Like I say, it is very busy. It is spring break still, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but it's early April, and yeah, it's a lot of people on holiday as well, so vacation. But let's go and have a look inside the lobby. Like I say, if it's not me talking, it'll be me just walking around showing you what I can. So since we are waiting for the pool to open, I have returned to my room to give an overview and like an overlook. Probably better doing that just now and you get a better view of the whole pool area. I'm on the 11th floor, so from high up here you can see pretty much everything that's on offer here. And just starting, we'll go kind of clockwise, but that's like a splash pad for younger kids. We've got the Oasis beach bar, which I'll try and zoom in a little bit more. You can see everything else is pretty much normal to any old, I say any old, but pool. It is a great pool. It's a great size of pool. There's a lot of sun chairs, deck chairs. You can help yourself to towels as well, so you can collect towels, put them back at the pool. There's some tables as well, so you've got some tables and chairs that you can sit down, have something to eat or relax. Same down there as well. Great theme, being like dockside and that's Surfside across the road there. But the whole theme is great, the colours are great. You've got a kind of beach area there, there's sand there. The pool itself, now you can see the little, I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but you can just see the little bits going round. You can sit in the water, little seats round here, round there as well. And there's plenty of areas where you can enter the water there, so you can enter here, enter there, enter there, and there. There's also, I think I counted 3 lifeguards for this one pool alone. So lifeguard usually there, lifeguard there, lifeguard there, for the one pool. So yeah, it's a really nice pool. It's got everything you need. You'd have to go to the next level, next kind of tier of hotel, where you start getting the jacuzzis and slides, these kind of things. Just like we seen at Cabana Bay, my stay at Cabana Bay in November. You can just see Cabana Bay over there. So you see Volcano Bay there. Just the top of Cabana Bay there. You've got the Aventura Hotel there as well. So hopefully that helps with an overview. As I say, if I can get closer, there's no real reason for me to go any closer, walk around in people privacy in the pool, or around the pool. But if I can get anywhere closer, or even photos of the Oasis beach bar, yeah, I'll try my best and do that. The same with the Wave Makers bar, which is at pool 2. So this is tower 1, like I say, tower 1, pool 1, if you want to call it, and then the other tower 2, pool 2, it's got a different bar. So now the pool is open, we can have a little look around. There's a splash area in action, and you've got some ping pong, table tennis, and some vests here as well. It is a massive pool, as you can see from this level. Very big pool. Then here you've got Oasis beach bar. Looks really nice, a lot of coverage. A lot of funky little seats here, I'll end up falling asleep in them. A lot of fans. And benches. Tables. There's some of the beers and the prices. Some wines and prices, and whites and reds. And then you can get a pizza delivery as well. And that's the refillable souvenir mugs. cocktail menus. The menu. Let's look at the bar. Some of the things on draft as well. I'll just run through them just because the music's playing. I need to keep talking over for copyright, but I'll keep talking. You see some of the cocktail menus they were looked at, the daiquiris and margaritas and pina coladas. There's some more draft beer there. You've got Bud Light on draft. You get Heineken. There's all your different, the Miller Lite as well. You get ice cream. It's always a good thing. But I've got to admit, it's a really nice pool area. Lots and lots of space. So if you want to be near the pool, that's fine. If you want to be out of the way of the pool, should be a nice corner over here. You've even got gates there, which leads you back out towards like the buses, for example. So you can hear the buses. You can hear the buses there. So you can get the gate there and take you out along. It's well designed, well organised. Also you can pre-order your food, so see every sunbed has got these. Yeah, so you can scan that on your phone if you want just now. And then you'll have a look at the information what you can order. And you can pick up your food or drinks after you scan it. So, really cool, really nice. Now let's have a look at pool 2, tower 2. Even this pool is massive. I don't know if it's the same size or shape. It looks a little different shape. So it does feel smaller than Tower 1's pool, so I'm gonna say it, I'm gonna put my neck in a line and say this is smaller. It does feel smaller than Tower 1's pool, but again it's a lot of space, a lot of sunbeds. Really, like, I mean, you've got two pools you could use here, Tower 1, Tower 2, so yeah, it does so much. Same again, you've got on this side, you've got the Wavemaker's pool bar, and again you can have a look at the menu for that. And it's just same idea, wherever you get your towels, return, collect towels, you've got restrooms over there. It is, I think you've got the same lifeguards as well, 3 lifeguards in this pool. And this is the Wavemaker's bar. So again, the theming is beachy, but really nice. So the Wavemaker's bar. Nice little seats here, they look comfy. I'm going to have to talk all the time, guys, I apologise, because this is going to be copyright music and I want to bring you this content inside here because it is really nice here. Even the bar, got a lot of seats at the bar here, kind of the high chairs. The private areas over there, the corner, tables, chairs. You've got straight access onto the car park. You need a key card to get in, but same again with the draft, same beers as pool 1, tower 1, but really nice, really relaxing, which is what you want if you're here on vacation. Great theme. I like these little kind of box chairs as well, these little tables, especially for kids. Kids can sit in them and use those little tables. Ideal. They've really thought about everything here, in my opinion. So like I said, it is very, very busy just now, so I don't want to annoy anyone with putting cameras in their face or running around and in between them and trying to get a video, so hopefully I'm capturing and showing what I can. I'm in the game room just now as well. The game room is pretty cool, a lot of different things I haven't seen before and something different as well, especially on resort. So let's have a look at let's have a little look around. So you've got this kind of sweet grabbing machine here. There's actually a water fountain here as well. And there's the credits as well. So game room, game card. So 30 credits, $5, 60, $10, 140 credits, 20, 40 credits, 50, 1,000 credits, $100. And you can fill up some water here as well. So have a look at that round. The Halo game, Keymaster game, basketball, the Centipede game as well. There's some of the music playing here. There's your bikes, two race bikes here. There's a photo booth as well there. Daytona, two Daytona racing cars. Good old Pac-Man, world's largest Pac-Man. That is huge. It's a big screen. Then you've got air hockey. We've got Jurassic Park arcade game. Then we've got some, this is called Route 66 for some reason, don't know what that is, but there's some toys you can grab from Teddy's. Another air hockey game. But the card dispenser is empty, so these two are out of order just now. So it looks like you can't really play the games anyway. But it does look like a lot of fun. And again, as I said, something different. And that's me from Dockside. Hopefully you found that useful. Again, apologies, I can't record too much of me talking inside the lobbies. It is very busy. I don't know if it's a lot of schools visiting. This seems to be very busy, so I don't know what I'd be in everyone's face. So a little tip as well, if you're the day of you checking out, you don't have to physically go to the reception area to check out. You're automatically checked out, so you can just get your bag and leave. That's you. So anyway, hopefully you found that useful. You know what to do. Until next time, I'll see you then. Bye bye.